Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another DIY video and also a product review. So I'm starting with these candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and these were the candle holders that they had out during when the fall first began. So these are the ones that had the leaf on them. So I'm taking the leaf off and I'm going to add some rocks to it to decorate the top. So these rocks are in the floral, or they're actually on the owl, the craft owl. So I'm taking some of the hot glue and I'm just going around the top part of the candle holder, and I'm alternating between the red and the clear until all of that is complete. So basically just the hot glue and the rock or gem, whatever you want to call this here, and just go around until it's all the way complete. And it should look something like this. So the next step is you can either fill these rocks or pebbles into the other candle holder like this, or you can take them and you can glue them around the inside of this tea light candle holder, so you can kind of see the color just a little bit more, and just take a dab of hot glue and just place it on the part that's curved on the gem, or well, pebble, whatever this is called, marble, um, and just place it on the inside of this tea light candle holder. And once you have all of those placed, you can fill it with more gems, and just to fill it up. And then I follow up with some E6000 or some Fix All to glue the top candle holder. The hot glue is just to get that instant stick, and you just want to center it as much as possible. And if you need to turn it over just to get it centered, then you can do that. But this should look something like this, and I just repeat the steps on the second one. For this next DIY, I'm creating some mini Temporaries using some Dollar Tree items. So I'm using the candle holder and these beads from the Dollar Tree, as well as you can get them from Michael's or Walmart as well. So I'm just taking some of the hot glue and I'm wrapping the beads around the top part of the candle holder. You can wrap as many beads as you desire, or you can do without the beads, however you desire to do it. Just take the hot glue and just wrap the beads around until there's no space to continue to wrap on that first level of the candle holder. It should look something like this. So next I'm using these ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and they had about, these came in about 3 different shades maybe. And they also have some of the bigger ball ornaments as well. I did create one with the bigger ball ornaments, but I never did show you guys that video, so I actually deleted the video, so you won't be able to see that. But I just took the tips off of the ornaments, and these ornaments here are kind of styrofoam like, and they have like the mosaic mirror tile pieces on them. So take the tips off, and then on some of the pieces I had to remove some of the mirror tile pieces. And I'm going to use a wooden dowel from the Dollar Tree, just removing some of those mirror pieces to show you guys just on the very top where the dowel piece is going to be pushing through. So just take the wooden dowel and you just want to push it through the center on each piece. Now the very top piece, you don't want it to go all the way to the tip, and actually with this size dowel it's not going to go all the way to the tip anyway. So just want to slide those pieces on in the center. Basically I'm trying to press the hole in between, press the hole in the center here to get it to go through the other side. And if you need to take the other ball off just to get it to fit through the other side of the center one, you can do that. And you just want to leave some room on the dowel so it can fit, so the top piece can fit. And you can also glue these in between each piece if you desire to do that. I actually did not glue mine. I'm just using the dowel to hold everything together. And just want to center it just like this. Once you have all your pieces together, I'm just taking some of the E6000 or Fix All and just gluing it down to the glass candle holder. And just attach your hot glue just to get that instant stick. And that's going to be it for that DIY. And I'm going to show you guys a product review. Well, this company sent 2 items to me. You can use these as gifts or you can use them for your own personal use. So they sent me an electric toothbrush as well as an electric shaver. The toothbrush, of course, I'm using for my own personal use. I really do like this toothbrush. It comes with, it's packaged very well. If you guys care about the way things are packaged, it's packaged very well. And these are the items that came in the toothbrush. So taking things out of the box, I have used this already, but I just placed it back in the box so I can show you guys how it was all packaged because I didn't record it as I opened it the first time. So it comes with a warranty and there's a warranty card in there as well as instructions, the instruction manual on how to use your toothbrush as well as care for it. And it does recommend that you, if this is your first time using it, you start out with the sensitive setting first so that you can get used to this. And also if you've had any kind of dental work within the past 2 months, you do want to make sure it's okay with your dentist before using the product. So other than that, I think everything is pretty much self-explanatory. It comes with a little charging, the USB cord charger. And it comes with 4 brushes. It has a sensitive brush, the tongue cleaning brush, and 2 of the, I think it's scrubbing brushes maybe. But I started out with a gentle setting because this is my first time using this. So, and it massages my gums really good. It cleans my mouth pretty good. It has that polished feel to my teeth. And I really, really like this product. I really do recommend it. And it has the different settings on there, so you can put it on the sensitive setting, the whitening setting, and also I can't think of the top setting, but that's like the normal setting or the higher setting. It's the first one, and you can just press the button to adjust to whichever setting that you need. So yeah, I really like this toothbrush. I highly do recommend it. And this would make a great gift for someone or just for your own personal use. I will put a link in the description box for you guys to check out these products. And I do like that it comes with its own carrying case for the brushes that comes with it. And the brushes each have like a little tip on it to the little cover on the brush as well. So yeah, this is a cool product and I am enjoying using my toothbrush here. So yeah, I really do recommend this one. So I'm going to show you guys the electric shaver. Of course, I'm not using the shaver myself, so for my own personal use. This will be a gift, but I will show you guys the shaver as well. If you women out there want to have something to consider as giving a gift for the men in your life, then this would be an option for you guys. But I've also seen online where women actually use shavers as well, maybe to shave their legs or their underarm. But I personally have not used it for that. I will just be giving mine as a gift. So it looks like a pretty cool shaver here. It's packaged well as as well as the toothbrush. And it comes with a brush. It also has the USB charger cord as well, and the brush to clean it. It also has the instruction manual as well as the warranty information, and a little bag to carry everything in, to store your shaver in. So I think this is really cool. I think it's going to make a great gift. So that's what I will be doing with this shaver, is giving it as a gift. So I'll try to go over some features of the shaver. Of course, I can't tell you how it works because I'm not using it for my own personal use. So, but it looks like a pretty cool product here. And it has the little openings where you can clean it. Of course, you know, when you shave, the hairs will get trapped in it, up underneath the surfaces, and you just want to be able to clean it. So it has buttons to press to release on the back side as well as the front, to show you how to use it. And I noticed that it has like the little round heads. They move, they're flexible, I guess, so you can get like a closer shave, and you know, it kind of moves with the shape of your face. So I think that's going to add for more comfort for the males that's going to be using it. So it looks like a pretty cool shaver here. So here's the finished look with the DIYs. Of course, those products will be in the description box, the links to those. So I like the way these turned out. This is the Temporary, the mini Temporary with the Christmas ornaments. So yeah, I like the way they turned out. And you can place these on a table somewhere, or you can place it on your dinner table to kind of dress up your tablescape for the Christmas holidays, or on the mantle, wherever you decide to put them throughout your home. And this is also the candle holders. Now with these candle holders, if you want to add more stability, you can glue a mirror down on the bottom if you want to add more stability, because the top is kind of heavy. For me, I don't worry about all of that because I don't have kids or anyone to knock things over, so it's just fine for me without it. But if you want to add more stability, just glue a mirror on the bottom to add more stability. I mean, it sits up fine the way it is, but if you want that extra support, you can use that mirror. So yeah, I like the way these turned out as well, and I already had some things in this color, so I just paired it up just to show you guys how things can look. And that's it, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And until next time, bye.